Take a ride in the 2019 RDX. Viewed as Acura's answer to BMW's sporty X3, the RDX offers stylish interior, plenty of sport, and a nice amount of utility. This vehicle has less than 10,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, electronic stability control, alloy wheels, power liftgate, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, ventilated front seats, speed control. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.